Hi, I'm Bea Apple, owner of Hillfolk.
Hi, I'm Ashley Spencer, owner of Yarn Alchemy.
All right, so let's get cozy. Hey, friends, crafty friends. Me and Ashley are here today because we've got some really big announcements. Ashley, I know you've got some big news coming up.
Eureka Fiber in the Ozarks, excuse me. It starts on Thursday, goes through Thursday through Saturday. And to celebrate the big event, we wanted to announce that Yarn Alchemy is growing. So we are going to be moving out of our small space into a lovely big space June 1st.
Ashley is going to be moving Yarn Alchemy into the Hillfolk space, and then Hillfolk is going to be taking the show on the road.
What does it mean to take Hillfolk on the road?
As a lot of y'all know, we launched our kits in Walmart in 2024, and I have been operating the store in this location for 8 years. And now that we have our kits nationwide, I'm calling it the Stitching America Together Tour, where I load up my van with a bunch of craft kits, my bike, hopefully Murray, our shop dog, for some adventures, and I want to go around the country and share our craft kits and love of making with people all over the US. I'm going to be popping up in different locations like my favorite small businesses, friends' houses. And the idea is for the Hillfolk community to come along with me on the journey. I'm going to be creating a lot of content and focusing on providing really excellent customer support for our kits, working on more tutorials, more storytelling. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to be fulfilling orders through our online shop with our favorites. So our tea towels, candles, more of our craft kits showing up on our website. My goal with Hillfolk has always been to create a virtual and in-person craft community, and I've spent the last 8 years building out this community here in Northwest Arkansas. And then as we move forward, I am working on how can I meet you, the customer, the new maker, the new crafter in your homes to really help you guys get into making, because I think that's something that we both feel passionate about, is that everybody is a creative, everybody is a maker, and we just want to figure out ways to help you guys tap in to your inner sense of joy